Dokun.
Shaky, shaky.
원한다면 내가 돼 어떡하 Did you wanna twist my no 한간 유감이 척하지마 설레는 거 맞잖아 왜 나 혼란스러워 이러는 나도 너를 찾아갔지만 이 고민만큼은 내가 너를
Sorry, I think we got her nails So she's obviously a little bit timid right now. We're just going to give this a few minutes, just keep her around the water and just let her get accustomed to it. And hopefully she'll go in. As flat as you can. Okay, there you go. See, she's curious. Thirsty? Okay, so it's been a couple days since Pearl's first foray into the kitchen sink. So anyway, we're going to try again, and one other thing, in the time since, she has begun molting. She's very scruffy looking right now. Hey! So it's important to always give your bird an escape route rather than just dumping them in the sink and pulling your arm away and expecting them to stay there. It's better if you always keep your arm, keep your hand down there so that if they feel at all uncomfortable, they have it easy out. And that can make them a little more willing to explore, knowing that they're not going to be stuck or trapped or anything like that. And the other important thing is don't force the bird into the water, because again, it's a new situation for them. They can be very scared. Just expose them to the water, let them be around it, and hopefully over not too long a period of time, they will be interested enough to want to explore it on their own. We're having some success with Pearl right now. She hasn't taken a full bath yet, but she is taking a shower and getting a lot to drink. So we're definitely moving in the right direction here. Wet and her tail wet. It's not her back or her wings. Do you want to come join us? Oh goodness, look at you! Disaster! You're such a disaster! Look at you! Come here, Pillow. Oh, hi. Hi. I don't know what I'm shooting right now, but hi. Come to join us. Oh, there's a bath going. There's a bath. But Daddy's head all wet.
Okay. I'm clean. You clean? I'm clean. Are you clean? Are you clean? Are you clean? Are you clean? I'm clean. I'm clean.
So clearly Pillow has no problem taking a bath, and it looked like Pearl was watching him. And so hopefully next time maybe they'll be splashing around together. That would be kind of fun. Very wet. We'll have a lot of cleaning up to do. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Oh, he's trying to get dry. Oh no. He never really had to get fully dry before. Oh goodness, he's all wet. Look at this scruffy. Oh my goodness, you look like a ragamuffin.
다시 한번 허리를 훅 들어 차차차